beautiful people. Not letting my tinsel get tangled today. I wanted to show you guys, we got a couple Christmas cards, and this one's from Michael, and this one here is from Samantha King. Thank you very much. We greatly appreciate it. And there's Johnny. Say hi, Johnny. Okay, don't get too excited. And Nina Tuna. Okay, we're going to go outside. And Jeff's up to something in the Morton building, so I want to show you guys. It's another sunny day in Pittsgrove Township. A little bit chilly, not like yesterday. Yesterday was really warm, very unusual. But he's out here in the Morton building doing what he does best, and that is work. He loves to work. He's a hard worker. Jeff? Where you at? You inside? I knew you were out here. I just didn't know where you were. Exactly. You know what? I forgot my glasses.
Hopefully you can see. Don't trip on anything. Hey, welcome to the Ridgeway Garage. I'm Jeff. That's Terry. So today, what we're going to try to do is, before we start, let's send our condolences, sympathies, thoughts, prayers out to the Midwest, where I think there was 24 tornadoes over the last 24 to 36 hours.
Horrible.
And it's horrible to see
My heart goes out to them.
Yeah, it's horrible to see what other people are going through, and it makes you think about yourself and how lucky we have it. You know, I know everybody has problems, but good God, look at this situation. Family, friends, businesses, neighborhoods, whole town's gone. So again, thoughts and prayers to all of you in the Midwest that are going through this. Yes. And again, that anybody that's really going through any problems, thoughts out to all you too. Today, what we got planned, or what I got planned, is through the Eastwood Wood Company, and this is all me, this isn't a brand deal or anything like that. You ever try to pack, like 10 pounds of shit in a 5-pound bag? This is what this garage is. If you look outside, I got snowmobiles, we got the tractor, truck, car. We just can't get it in anymore. So what my logic is, I tore the carpet over here, and Tara, come get this. In this corner of the building or garage, remember this was the gaming room in the Psycho series? Oh, wow. And when I tore the carpet up, I think it looks more like a mosaic. So it's like uncovering a piece of history, basically.
Yeah.
So it's kind of neat. The carpet was stuck to it, so I'm sure Jesse, when he was constructing it, him and Uncle Larry, and who else was it? Corn and Mark, and
yeah.
We don't have just blue meth. We got one of every color. We call it Skittle meth.
Okay.
All right, guys, start painting. I just love walking in here. Like, when I am in here, I'm like, where am I right now? It's like, what is this place?
You ever hear of Ancora?
I've heard of that. That sounds like a scary.
That's pretty much where you're at.
Oh my gosh, people died in this room.
I think they probably laid the carpet right over wet paint. But again, I wasn't allowed to be involved with the construction because I was the bad guy. But I just thought it was neat when I cut. So the logic is see these rollers, they're made by Eastwood, and they're like.
Oh, you already have them under there.
I have two. I haven't done the other ones yet.
Okay.
So what they're going to do is they got foot pumps on them. You put them around your tires. You pump these up, and it'll pick your car up. Supposedly, per the reviews on it, one person can roll the car around the garage. So what I'm going to try to do is spin the car, since I won't be driving it in the winter. I'll be spinning the car this way on these rollers, and then parking it here with the ass end against this wall.
Oh, you're going
this way.
Right over the
Right, the mosaic, yeah.
Okay.
So,
all right.
but yeah, that's my logic here. That way.
Does that car doesn't leak oil or anything, does it?
Not that I knew it hasn't leaked oil.
Maybe you should put
Don't
down.
wish bad things on it.
No, I'm just saying maybe you should put down some sort of cloth or something.
But what I'll do is, those things won't roll on carpet, so. Oh yeah, she's showing a little. So Terry cut my hair this morning, And I trimmed up the beard, but
As Jesse would say, you cut my blood.
yeah,
you cut my blood.
so my lovely wife nicked me with scissors this morning, and I bled like a stuck pig because I'm on blood pressure pills. So either way, it stopped bleeding. It's pretty good right now. But it took a little hunk off, and she was quite proud of herself. She laughed around and walked down the room.
No,
I was
hon, I didn't
bleeding.
do it on purpose.
I know you didn't do it on purpose, but you know, either way, it's good now. Thanks. So again, we're going to get back to this. I'm going to put these under all 4 tires and then pick it up and see where we go from there. It may not move. I don't know, but the reviews have it that way. So here's what I do. On the Eastwood dollies, you loosen the pressure and then you separate these. These things will go all the way in or all the way out, so you can get it around your tires. Then I'm going to roll it to the other side, because I already put those 2. I didn't pump them up yet because I was caught midstream once. See, try to separate it a little bit, then tighten it around your tire. We're going to tighten the pressure so when you pump the hydraulics up, the air doesn't come out. So I'm going to come around and get this side too.
So that's the little pedal that you're going to be pushing on?
Yep, and you can push one too if you want. Since you're here, you might as well work.
I am. I'm working the camera.
But again, hopefully this works. See, it rolled pretty good. Well, one of them is. That ain't good.
What's the matter?
One of them is rolling too much.
Maybe there's a brake on it.
No. It's a little tight, what it seems.
So this is going to move the whole car?
It's going to pick the car up.
And wait a minute. So I'm a little unclear. So you're doing this to move the car over there because you don't want to drive it over there?
I can't drive it over there. Because just think, if you drive the car, this is a very long car.
I bet you Connie could.
Well, yeah, but then I'd have to edge it back and forth. But if I go this way and slide it and turn it this way, I don't have to start it.
Okay.
So again, it may not work. I don't know. Okay, this one's tight. My hand's covered with grease. Excuse me, tuna fish.
Tuna, I play ball with you a little bit, okay? Oh, Luna, Tuna.
Okay, you see it now? It's coming.
Look, Johnny's watching it.
It's coming in the rollers. Look. See, now it's picking up the tire off the ground.
Did you, like, watch a video how to do this, or are you just winging it?
I'm winging it. That's what I do. Lock. Excuse me there, John Boy. That's half the fun of buying stuff, is just winging it.
Yeah, but this is your baby.
I know. That's why you want to be careful with it.
So how do you know how far you're supposed to go?
When the tire comes off the ground.
And that's it.
Yep.
And then what? You're just going to push it over in that area?
I want to try.
Well, don't you going to need somebody to steer?
No, it's going to roll.
All right, I like to see this.
That's why you're out here. I could roll it right into the wall. I don't know. So you want to try pumping one of these? I pump, she pump. I pump, she pump. Then we out and fix the tire. This is an old joke from way back. All right. But if it doesn't work, no big deal. No loss, no foul.
Well, did you want me to do it or not?
Yeah, you're going to do the last one.
Now, see, these are made for right-footed people. You know that, right?
John, excuse me.
Are you listening to me?
Yeah, I'm hearing you. Right-footed
What
people.
did I say?
This is made for right-footed people. Okay, here you go. Let me tighten the screw thing, excuse me.
I'm really left-footed.
That's all right. Okay, that's tight now. Push straight down.
That feels weird. That's not even pumping it.
Honey. Oh, yeah.
Well, you know, I'm not.
See, everyting's
Feels
going in like
weird
it's
doing
supposed
this
to.
with my right leg.
Let it go all the way up. You're ruining half the pump. Right, John? Did I hear something from your coat hitting my car?
What?
You want me to do it? God.
This is harder than it looks.
Yeah.
Well, this is
You switched
actually.
legs already too.
I did. This is a small pedal.
I wonder if Eastwood said, and a woman could do it.
Actually, this is plastic.
What's plastic?
This pedal.
No, it isn't. It's
It
cast.
feels like it. Goodness
Plastic.
gracious. Ooh, what was
What'd
that
you
sound?
do?
I don't know.
Here, take the camera.
That's just
God,
why
this
you
is
shouldn't
scary.
be doing this.
There. Locked and loaded, baby. Woo woo.
Okay, now wait a minute. Should I put the dogs away? Or are you going to be able to?
Is it going? I'm not going to roll it at 50 mile an hour. Don't think so.
Okay.
I'm getting my general stuff. Wait.
Oh, this makes me a little nervous.
Yeah, well, everything makes you nervous. Voila.
Look at the condition of these cabinets. What is it from
But
this?
no, look here. Look at Terry's area right there. That's a shithole.
I don't have hardly any space. This is all the space I have in here. Oh, wait a minute. Let me get a good shot of that.
Oh, look at Jeffrey go.
Oh my goodness.
Look at Jeffrey go.
That's pretty cool.
Look at Jeffrey go.
What's the matter? You can't push it that way?
No, well, I can. It's just, I gotta finish this one. Oh, look at that dust. Oh my God. So see the, oh, they're, ooh.
No,
No, get out of
Papa,
here,
John, no.
You're not a mall.
Get away from that. That's a no-no, John. That's foo-foo.
There's no foo-foo.
What do you mean there's no foo-foo?
They don't know what foo-foo means. Get out. Do it a bit.
Foo-foo means it's no good.
Right.
Wow.
So see?
Yeah. So you, you actually, can you use these things for other things
Yes.
besides moving your car, or?
Each dolly supposedly can lift 1,500 pounds.
But I mean,
So-
what else can you use them for besides moving a car?
Probably lawnmowers.
But
I would predict, or
they're just specifically for anything with tires.
no, this could, yeah, any type of tire. Basically, if it'll spread open the gap of the dolly, it'll go around it, and you squeeze it in and pump it up. It should be good. Like the tractor, you could probably put it on
That's
that as long as I got the
terrible
buckets
lighting.
up. So, but again, I think it's proved its point. I haven't put it all the way back to the spot, but
But you're going to maneuver it back there.
yeah.
Well, you probably can see a lot better if you put the hood down and the trunk.
I know, but it's how I do things. Screwed up. But no, it was good. It worked out. I'm happy. So after the video, I'll be moving it back to where it's supposed to go. I don't want to do it on camera in case I freak something up. So,
Well, that'd be okay,
no, it wouldn't.
huh?
So see, there's a ding dent right here that was when it was before we had it. It has a dent right there. You can see it. But you got to get it on an angle though. It's right there. Take it on an angle, which is what it is.
I don't see it. Oh, okay. Yeah, that's very hard to see.
Alright. So, but either way, I think this is enough for today. You've seen my little toys that I buy for just to try to get 5 or 10 pounds of shit in a 5-pound bag. So if I move the car over there, then I'm probably going to park my truck here. I got a lot of this stuff that's got to be moved. JT's got to get his motorcycle out of here. He's got that table saw in the back corner. And then I could probably put the tractor in too. So, and Terry's car will have to sit outside. That's just how it works.
That's used to it.
All right, everybody. Have a great day and a good life.